Hi guys, my name is Amy and I'm a sophomore studying computer science at Caltech. Today I'm going to show you how I stay organized for the week while I'm studying here at school. I use a whiteboard for my schedule. Today is Sunday, so I like to plan out my week so I know what's coming up. I begin by writing the week number and the dates for this week. It's finals week, so I definitely have to plan and make sure I'm ahead of everything. Next, I write an overview of all my classes and the due dates coming up. This is so I stay organized and can prioritize assignments. I use an ultrafine Sharpie to write on the whiteboard, but mine's starting to flatten, so my handwriting's looking kinda dookie. Next up is my weekly spread. Here I detail specific goals and events happening each day. This is typically where meetings and homeworks go. Here's my completed schedule! Finally, I like to use a sticky note to make a detailed to-do list for the day. This includes little things like cleaning my room that I plan to do. And done!